Hi, this is Kim from Kimmy's Creations, and today we're going to learn how to do the single crochet. So last time we learned how to do a slip knot, and the chain stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now today we're going to learn how to make a turning chain and go up and do the single crochet. So let's grab other color yarn. I want to put that where the loop is, pull it tight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is the turning chain, that red one, the 11th. So now you're going to go through the first stitch, yarn over, so you have 2. I want you to yarn over and pull through both. I want to insert, yarn through, pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull through both. Pull through both. Right. And sometimes, depends on the yarn you're using, it can split. You have to make sure that you have no splits in it. So pull through both loops. So insert your hook, pull the yarn through, 2, yarn over, pull it through. So put your hook through the stitch, yarn over, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through. Pull through. And then just like the chain stitch, single crochets make the V's. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now to get to the next row, you can either chain 1 and then turn, or you can turn and then chain 1. And then you'll go through, this is the first stitch. There's 2 loops. You want to make sure you're under both. So you yarn over, pull it through, 2 stitches, yarn over, and pull through both. So insert, yarn over, pull through both. Just make sure that you have both of those loops on your hook. So the front loop is the one closest to you, and the back loop is the furthest from you. So you yarn, pull the yarn under, and then pull it through. Yarn under, and then pull it through. Yarn under and pull it through, and make sure you always get that last one. That's the turning. Some people will miss that last one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is how you go from row 1, your chain stitch, up to row 1 of single crochets, and then the second row of crochets, single crochets. So the next video will be double crochets and how to advance to the next row with the double crochets across. Like, comment, and subscribe if this has helped you in any way. Thank you.